which is predominantly ruled by ODM. Though I'm not an ODM, I don't belong to any party. Maybe they are yet to convince me to belong anywhere. But what I want to tell you is this. When we see you people tearing each other, it's not good. It's not good for this nation. It's not good for this community. This is the community where God had chosen me to serve. And I don't think it is right for me to tell you that I'm happy to see what is happening. I'm not happy. I want to see you united. I want to see you united. If you are to focus squarely on constructive politics that can heal this nation, you must remain focused. And as I end, I want also to plead with you. In fact, I'm not pleading with you. I'm giving you a charge to stop insulting one another. Insults reduces your level of dignity as leaders. It does not express any point or any fact. You don't have to insult your fellow colleague in order to feel important or to feel popular. Some of the insults you make in public, in fact, I have my children. We watched one, and my children are not very good in Luo, not because they were not, they didn't learn. You know, we are international people. We believe in international marriages. So, sisi atu randarandi hapa. So I want you to do this, to stop insulting each other and use civil language that can bring honor and glory. Please, that is my prayer to you all. You can disagree in principle, but let it not escalate into open insults. May God bless you, and may God bless all of us as we all getting prepared to finish the